Okay, let's cover a few terms and concept about OO, or which is object-oriented, which is important when you are doing the OOP, object-oriented programming. Okay, so basically, the first thing is we need to know what's an object. Okay, using your unified modeling language, which is UML, you actually refer to object as a rectangle. It looks like this. Right? So you have the name of the object on the top, in this case the parent. Then you have the attributes and the method. Right? So objects is basically used to represent something, right? But it doesn't have to be physical. Right? It can also be an event or a transaction. All right. Okay. When you say attribute, all right, attribute. So attribute actually describe the object. Okay, it actually describe the object. So it could be a state. Most commonly is an adjective, or you can actually think of it as the flag. Method is what this object can actually perform. Right? What the object can actually do. Right? For instance, I can have a constructor method, create a new object, I can update it, or I can query what the object itself. So message is a command. Right? So you tell the object what to do, like update. So update is a command. So update the balance, for instance. Okay, but two different objects, right, with the same message. So if you have the same message to two different objects, and this can actually produce different result. All right. This type of concept is called polymorphism. Polymorphism. So poly actually means many. Well, the word poly here actually means many. And the morph means it can actually change. So it can change to many particular form. Right. So you can view object as a black box. Once you have created all your objects oriented programming, okay, you can view it as a black box. All right. And you don't really need to care how they work. What you just need to learn how to use it using all these messages to trigger all these objects. And this concept of viewing the object as a black box is called encapsulation. Right. So this word here, capsule, okay, capsule actually enclose something. So it is self-contained. And if you have objects belonging to a group, that group is called the class. All right, and all the objects in the class will have some common attribute and methods.